Good morning, students. I, Brijesh Singh, Subraj Singh Children Academy, strongly welcome in political science class. Students, I have covered 3 chapters in the political theory. In political theory, second book. I have covered, first of all, I want to take the flashback, whatever syllabus has been completed, because we have to take the proper focus. According to the syllabus situation, how many chapters are left, how many chapters have been taught. We have to take the proper balance between. So in the regular interval, we have to put on the surveillance of the chapters list. First of all, now this is the introduction of political theory. Now the second chapter was freedom. You can say in other word liberty. Now the third chapter was equality. These chapters I have taught you clearly. Liberty, equality, introduction of political theory, in especially the particular book of the political theory, the second book. 3 chapters have been taught. Now the 4th chapter is social justice. In today's session, I will take the complete discussion about social justice. Social justice. Social justice regarding political theory. So these chapters have been taught. Introduction of political theory, freedom, liberty, equality, and social justice. In today's session, I will take the topic of chapter 4, social justice. Actually, all chapters are internally related to the political theory. If you are going to count the chapter from 1, 2, 3, 4 chapters, all the chapters are internally connected. अगर हम पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी के सारे चैप्टर्स की बात करें, परिचय की बात करें, स्वतंत्रता की बात करें, लिबर्टी की बात करें या समानता की बात करें, टुडेज आई एम गोइंग टू फोकस द चैप्टर ऑफ द सोशल जस्टिस. दीज चैप्टर्स आर इंटरनली कनेक्टेड. These chapters are internally connected. ये कहीं न कहीं से एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं. जो इनका कंटेंट्स है, जो पॉलिटिकल थियरी का जो कंटेंट्स है, वो एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड है. और इसी पर एक स्टडी को प्रमोट किया जाता है कि वास्तव में जो हमारा कंटेंट्स है, अब फ्रीडम है, लिबर्टी है, इक्वालिटी है, जस्टिस है, इन सब पर पॉलिटिकल थियरी, what were the political theorist particular perception has been promoted regarding these topics. What were the concept, what were their theories, what were the social concept, what were the main theories of taking the weaker section of the society, how this can be ensured, the promotion of the freedom, equality, liberty and fraternity and social justice. These are the main points which needs to a special promotion for the healthy society. And there are so many rules have been developed to ensure freedom, liberty, equality, and today's topic social justice. Social justice, in today's session I will observe chapter 4, social justice. Social justice. Very practical word, chapter 4 in political theory. Social justice, जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं सामाजिक न्याय. सोशल जस्टिस, जस्टिस शब्द से बना हुआ है, और इस चैप्टर के नेम को, हैविंग ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर, यू कैन इजीली एनालाइज व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट आर कनेक्टेड टू पर्टिकुलर दिस चैप्टर। इस चैप्टर में क्या कुछ होने वाला है, क्या कुछ हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, एक आउटलाइन, एक फ्रेमवर्क आपके दिमाग में बिल्कुल बेहतरीन तरीके से आ सकता है। तो सोशल जस्टिस मीन्स एवरी बर्डन, एवरी पर्सन should be rectified and a proper treatment in the society. There is no any kind of exploitation at all. We have to promote liberty. We have to promote equality. Like such chapters and contents we have discussed already. Actually, previous topics are connected to the main content of the social justice. If we talk about the social justice, 3 or 4 contents touch strongly. First of all, here contents liberty, second equality, third fraternity, number 4 anti-exploitation, and elimination of caste, elimination of casteism, elimination of gender bias, elimination of gender bias, and no classification of religion. If we study thoroughly, these are the main contents which are exactly related to social justice. अगर हम समाज में सामाजिक न्याय की बात करते हैं, तो समाज में न्याय की बात करते हैं, तो उन बुराइयों को हटाने की बात करते हैं। पर्टिकुलर evils must be eradicated who are main barriers just for the weaker section of the society, who are being exploited in medieval India, in modern India, since ancient India. So these are the contents of the social justice who are exactly correlated to be needs and promoted. Liberty, if we talk in the brief sense of the here liberty, everybody, if you don't have the liberty to do whatever you can, want to survive in the practical life, how can be your mental development can be assured? I have studied in the liberty topic, detailed liberties, what is the positive liberty, what is the negative liberty, what kind of the special liberty should be on liberties, J.S. Mill, Hindu Swaraj. Definitely, these are the correlated of the social justice. Today, I will try to correlate the liberty. Liberty is the main aspect of promotion of social justice. Liberty is individual liberty, is one of the most important aspect to promote human being personality, human being personality in the floor of society, in the floor of society. These are the importance of the contents. Contents important. Same topics have been taken previously. I just want to correlate it. Liberty, equality, fraternity, anti-exploitation. Liberty, individual liberty is one of the most important aspects of the promote human being personality in the flora of society. आज़ादी, अगर स्वतंत्रता आपके जीवन में नहीं है, if you don't contain the proper liberty, you can't survive your personal levels, what are the particular attitudes, what are particular permanent development of the society's aspect to be ensure of yourself, a little bit of freedom needed to survive your proper development. This chapter on these chapters collectively are being taken because these contents are, I have already told you, these contents are internally. When will I talk about the equality? Definitely I will talk about the liberty. When I will talk about the fraternity, definitely I will talk about the liberty and equality. Definitely when I talk about the social justice, which is the current topic is being taught, these contents should be covered. Without taking these contents, the contents of the social justice should not be completed. So there is a relevant topic. There is a relevant topic to take in the liberty, equality, fraternity, anti-exploitation, elimination of casteism, elimination of gender bias, and no classification of the religion based. These are the initial. These are the parameter of the social justice. If these kind of facilities should be provided the weaker section of the society, and some stronger evils who are traveling in the society needs to be eradicated. That's the social justice. I talked here liberty. Individual liberty is one of the most important aspect of the to promote human being personality in the flora of society. Same in thoroughly it has been discussed. Secondly, equality needs. Any kind of discrimination must not be exercised on the basis of caste, gender, and birthplace, religion. This topic has been completed, especially equality. Fraternity, the brotherhood, respecting attitude towards each other, the religions and emotions, feelings, respect to the nation, flags, all the government properties. Like such attitude should be reflect on the floor of society. We have to take the mental attitude, taking the brotherhood of the nation as being the responsible citizen. We have to promote ourselves. Until we don't have the intimacy towards the nation, we can't survive. Like such attitudes with the fraternity. And the evils, if I talked about the evils, anti-exploitation. Anti-exploitation means society must be without exploitation. Equal treatment should be survived. This is the major content of the social justice. सोशल जस्टिस, एंटी एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, सबके साथ बराबर का व्यवहार हो, किसी के साथ एक्सप्लॉयटेशन न हो, किसी के मेहनत की मजदूरी मिलनी चाहिए, उचित मजदूरी मिलनी चाहिए. एंटी एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, दिस इज नॉट न्यू वर्ड फॉर यू. Exploitation is the major evil of the society. This is the complete visible in the society. You can observe directly what is the meaning of the anti-exploitation. So society must be anti-exploitation. We have to take the eradication of the exploitation. If we think a healthy society, definitely exploitation should be eradicated permanently, taking the mutual understanding among all persons related to the society. Anti-exploitation, elimination of casteism, this is also a big figure. This is also a big figure of society who is creating the poisonous step in the society. Elimination of casteism, particular persons should be justified, particular persons should be justified on the basis of merits and demerits. No stand of the casteism should be applied, because human being deserve for their quality. So casteism attitudes should not be applied. This is one of the most important factor of the social justice. If you want to adopt proper social justice in the society, सामाजिक न्याय सबके साथ हो, किसी के साथ कोई बुरा व्यवहार ना हो, जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं उसमें कुछ को प्रमोट करने की जरूरत है और कुछ को एलिमिनेट करने की जरूरत है, और दोनों के बीच में एक बैलेंस बनाने की जरूरत है. सो आई एम टेकिंग दिस टॉपिक इन द फ्लैशबैक ऑफ द टॉपिक्स which have been taught in previously. These are indirectly correlated to social justice. अगर इनके कंटेंट्स को आप देखेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं से सोशल जस्टिस जो आज का टॉपिक है उससे ये इंटरनली कनेक्ट करते हैं, और सोशल जस्टिस को हाई लेवल पर प्रमोट करने के लिए कुछ अच्छाइयों को प्रमोट करना पड़ेगा और कुछ बुराइयों को एलिमिनेट करना पड़ेगा. सो दिस टॉपिक्स आर बीइंग टेकन, this is the right relevant topic. We have to take the proper discussion about the particular demand, which is the promotion of the social justice, because social justice is the collection of a lot of positive things and negative things. Some things should be promoted and some things should be eradicated, eliminated, skipped. So I am talking about the liberty. Liberty is the main important part of the social justice. If you don't have proper liberty, how can you survive your personal development, personal mental development? How can you fulfill your dreams? So the liberty is the basis of your personality development. Whatever the detail about the liberty I have taught in previous chapter, liberty, equality and right. Now talking about the equality, must, समानता का व्यवहार बिल्कुल होना चाहिए. दिस इज द फंडामेंटल राइट ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. किसी भी प्रकार का जात के आधार पर, लिंग के आधार पर और बर्थ प्लेस के आधार पर किसी भी प्रकार का भेदभाव बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. इक्वालिटी on the basis of gender, on the basis of casteism, on the basis of birthplace, these are the poisonous words which are causes of the discrimination of the promotion of the social justice. सामाजिक न्याय के रास्ते में बहुत बड़ी बाधा के रूप में आते हैं ये एंटी एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, ये भी एलिमिनेशन ऑफ कास्टिज्म, जातिवाद को बिल्कुल खत्म करने की जरूरत है अगर हम सोशल जस्टिस की बात करते हैं, सोशल जस्टिस की बात करते हैं. नाउ एलिमिनेशन ऑफ जेंडर बायस्ड, समानता का अधिकार. नो फीमेल आर मेन विल मस्ट बी based any kind of base should not be survive on the basis of the gender biased. Equality is the major factor should be applied for the ladies and gents, because our duties, our job, our activities is maintain the superiority of the society. You can take your position. There are a lot of men and women who proved herself or himself on the basis of his or her duty. They have positioned herself on the basis of their performance. So eliminated of the gender bias, like such kind of attitude should not be promoted in the society. If I want to take the deserving aspect of the social justice की अगर हम बात करें तो definitely this is the first part of this video, social justice. I am trying to correlate all those topics who have been taught in previous chapters. You can imagine liberty, equality, fraternity, anti-exploitation, elimination of casteism, elimination of gender bias, no classification of religion. These are such topics who have been taught, but these are the elements of the social justice, and collectively they will respond to promote the social justice indirectly. So this was the very, very important figure that we have to take the discussion about these topics, because connectivity are very important to take the promotion of the social justice. अगर आप वर्ड की बात करें सामाजिक न्याय कैसे आएगा? सामाजिक न्याय की परिकल्पना आप कैसे करते हैं? हाउ कैन यू थिंक अबाउट द सोशल जस्टिस इफ देयर इज ए मैक्सिमम लिबर्टी, नो रेस्ट्रेंट्स? इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द इक्वालिटी, समानता की बात करें, किसी प्रकार का कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ना हो, तभी तो सोशल जस्टिस की बात हम कर सकते हैं। फ्रेटर्निटी की बात करें, भाईचारा की भावना हो, एक दूसरे के प्रति लविंग एटीट्यूड की बात हो, तभी तो हम सोशल जस्टिस की बात कर सकते हैं। जब तक एक्सप्लॉयटेशन को इरेडिकेट नहीं किया जाएगा, शोषण किसी व्यक्ति का शोषण अगर होता रहेगा तो सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता कि आप सोशल जस्टिस की बात करें। सामाजिक न्याय को कैसे इंप्लीमेंट किया जा सकता है इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू एलिमिनेट द एक्सप्लॉयटेशन पर्टिकुलर सोसाइटी विच इज द पॉइजनस स्टेप ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी? Exploitation should be minimized, should be eradicated on just promotion of the social justice. Elimination of casteism. If the casteism is spreading in a society, everything is going to be based on the casteism. How can the social justice can be expected? So you can definitely correlate each topics which are mentioned strongly here. I just tried to today to correlate of each other how these topics are barrier, how these topics are helpful to promote the social justice. Some topics should be eliminated and subtopics should be promoted on the basis of social justice. This is the main concept I want to deliver today to take the prominent figure of the topics. Elimination of gender bias. I just taught you no feelings. Discrimination should not be exercised on the basis of gender. No classification of religion, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. So these are the dreamy concept of the social justice. Social justice means any kind of variation, any kind of classification, negative classification, any kind of discrimination should not be exercised on the floor of society if you want to really promote social justice in the society. So these were the elements which are strongly promoted to take the proper promotion of the social justice. This was very important to take the topic. Action should be created, and these kind of topics are very relevant topic to be connectivity of the social justice. So these were the previous chapters to be connected of the social justice. Now I will talk about the main topic in particular chapter 4. What contents have been applied in particular social justice. These were the connectivity of the previous taught chapters, how they are relevant to be discussed in a particular chapter of this frame and taking the proper promotion of the social justice. Social justice, dimensions of social justice. Now beginning from the first topic of the social justice, starting on the chapter 4, we are going to put the relevant topic which has been covered in chapter 4. Your topic is social justice, dimensions of social justice. Dimensions of social justice. First we will study here equal treatment for equals. Number 2, proportional treatment. Proportional justice. Number 3, needs quality. You can say that a special justice. Number 4, just distribution, these are the main contents of the social justice. Before it, I tried to correlate the contemporary elements which are exactly responsible for the indirectly connection of the social justice, and these are the dimensions of the social justice. सोशल जस्टिस, सामाजिक न्याय के बारे में जो डायमेंशंस हैं कैसे हम उसकी स्टडी करेंगे। और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट फॉर इक्वल, सभी के साथ बराबर का व्यवहार। Everybody should be treated on the same job. There is no classification of taking the particular individualism should be promoted. In the particular department, all the human beings must be respected. They are regarding to particular job. So there is no need of any kind of the discrimination should be exercised. Indirectly, these things are also being connected to the equality. Equal treatment for equals, no discrimination should be exercised. Everybody should be treated equally, no bias, no discriminations. I will take the complete lecture about this here. Proportion justice, equality should not be sustained properly because effort is the main thing of your merit. If you are applying the maximum effort, definitely your result must be sustained on the basis of the effort. Suppose that examinations in particular class, all the students cannot get the equal marks because as per quantity they are applying their effort, they will get the mark. So proportional justice, it's not important to take the proper channel and all the students will get the proper marks and exactly same marks. This is not kind of the equality, because here in social justice this will not be social justice, because proportional justice means as the quantity of your effort is being applied, definitely you will obtain your marks and the classification and the promotion of the effort, promotion of the hard work, promotion of the sincerity. So this cannot be categorized in the equal treatment for equals, because you have to take the justification of your caliber, and it will not be social justice. Every students who are not contributing high level hard work, they are also getting same marks, and who are applying their brain maximum efforts, they are also getting same marks. So this will be the unjustified. So the proportional justice should be applied on the basis of the effort. Now the third, needs quality special justice. Those persons who are connected to the last queue and the weaker section of our society needs free education, free coachings and other kind of facilities must be allotted to promote the particular person society. We are not maintaining proper health condition and wealth condition to make the proper development of their personality. So needs quality justice like such facilities should be allotted for those weaker person of the society who are actually needed like such facilities. This is the social justice, because we have to convert them into mainstream of the society. So this is the maximum effort shall be made to provide the proper facilities for the weaker section of the society. That's called need quality special justice. And just distribution according the consumption, according the need of every person should be distributed. All kinds of materials who are eating materials and member of family are being survived, we have to take the proper distribution so that they can maintain proper health and food diet to surviving the basic needs of their fulfillment. So the just distribution, यहाँ एक प्रकार का जो वितरण होना चाहिए वो आवश्यकता के आधार पर होना चाहिए कि किस परिवार में कितने सदस्य हैं, उस प्रकार का वितरण होने पर ही एक सही क्वांटिटी को आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द जस्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. एक जस्टिफाइड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आपका होना चाहिए. यहाँ भी इक्वालिटी को प्रमोट हम नहीं कर सकते हैं. सपोज दैट इन पर्टिकुलर फैमिली देयर आर 3 persons, in particular family there are 5 persons, 6 persons. So equality justice cannot be maintained here, because this is the different requirement. This is the reference requirement of individual family. So just distribution should be promoted on the basis of the social justice. So these are the main importance of the dimensions of social justice in today's lecture. I will take the complete explanation with the example in next video. So the firstly I try to correlate all kinds of the things, that the equality, freedom, liberty and fraternity and anti-exploitation. These things were the very important for the social justice relevant topic today discussion, and I promoted the topic of social justice and taking the dimension of social justice, what topics we have to study in a forward in coming videos. Equal treatment for equals, proportional justice, needs equality, special justice and just distribution, and we will talk about here just like the very the political theory are Plato. I will take the philosophy of the Aristotle. These are the political theorists. What were their perceptions? Just and just whatever perceptions have been delivered by the Plato and Aristotle in the particular social justice, I will take the proper analysis of their views, and regarding the concept of the social justice, how they covered Plato and Aristotle, which is the father of the political science, Aristotle is called the father of the political science, and Plato, which was the social justice theory, should be explained properly. I will take the proper discussion about this here, including all kind of dimensions. So please take once a study of the chapter 4 social justice, and next video I will take the proper clarification of these topics. Thank you everybody. Have a good day.